good morning, wherever you're watching this, and welcome to my very echoey living room. It echoes a lot because it's empty. This, my darlings, is the new room of what I'm decorating. It is empty completely. It has been scrubbed down. Well, nearly been scrubbed down, because we're doing a box opening with a difference. Mr. Producer surprised me this afternoon. He bought me a lovely present. It wasn't the one he wanted, because the other one had a longer hose on it. What can I say? Size doesn't matter. Anyway, so we went for one that was on sale. As I was screw fits, and it was the Titan. It had gone down from 35 to 30 pounds. He's the last of the big spenders, bless him. He does treat me, doesn't he? So yes, we're doing a box opening because I'm going to do my floor. How does that sound? And I didn't even know I was doing this. That's how cool it is. Okay, you've got to put the feet on everything, Mr. Producer. We'll put the scissors over there in a minute. Right. So, did I just break that? That's alright. You have a 2-year warranty with it. Oh no, you take them off, look. You do pull them off. It's just gravity helping out. That's all. There we go. It's got one thing that every man likes, a big red button. So we get 3 pipes of it. 1.8 meter tube. What do you think, guys? So they go on the end of that one, and that one goes in the big hole in the boom machine. So yes, there's your hose. It is the old-fashioned bad way, but the old-fashioned way is a good way. It's a big enough bag though. What do you think? Am I meant to hold it? And here's our big boy, our Titan. How's that look? Look, big red button, look. Press. So now I'm going to sit down and figure out. That's a cold floor. How do we know it's cold? Because my darlings, there's no instructions. Presume you just slot the pipe there into the hole on these. Everything sounds worse because it's echoing. So that's the wrong one there. That one, that one, this one. I don't fancy pulling it off on me, so I'm going to make sure it's pushed right in. This one's not pushing right up. Not as far up as that one yet. Come on, you silly girl. There we go. I think that's as far as that one goes. So I'll go for the next one. There's something really rattling inside this. I think it might be the engine block. Is it not the engine block? Okay. So you just click in there. Where is that one not going from? Further in. I haven't dropped it, so it's not something I broke. Okay, it's a little R2D2. Oh, and we have instruction. Oops. Okay, this appliance can be used by children aged 8 years old. That's about my mental capacity for building things, 8 years. I'm looking to see if I'm just doing that right, because you don't think I have. Ah, you put the screw inside the wheel. It's not heavy now. Come here, Mr. Producer. A, B, A, B. If I just turn it over, look, I'm taking the lid off. Yes, I know, Mr. Producer. That's not washing that comes off, is it? It's not. Ignore the house line. Don't worry about it, guys. It'll go off in a minute. See? Magic. It's fiddly playing with these nuts and bolts. I think I need a screwdriver, Mr. Producer. So you need to stop filming a minute and go get home. See you in a minute. I'm back. Screwdriver beware. So yes, Mr. Producer went and got me a little screwdriver to tighten my nuts and bolts into my lovely, saver-friendly Hoover. So the B goes with the B, and the A's go with the A's, and the screws go tighten up. I do not want the wheels to fall off on me in the slightest. So we'll go for an A next. It is a good way to do it though, isn't it, really? To make sure the wheels don't fall off. Obviously, if you spend a bit more money, then the wheels would be attached already, would they? If you spent more money? I don't know. I quite like it, do it yourself, build your own vacuum cleaner though. I think it's quite cool. You don't just clean with it, you build it first. It's like robot wheels. Yeah, I quite like it. The Titan TTB350VAC. It is, I've been reading it, it is an actual dry and wet vacuum cleaner look. Because it takes up to 16 litres or 1300 watts. So that's pretty cool. I always thought if you use water with a vacuum cleaner, it would blow up, but I guess some vacuum cleaners are invented to not blow up when water is applied. I think this is the one that won't go on properly. Yeah, so it's pulling it tighter for me. Pulling it down. They're not very deep, the actual heads on the screws. So my screwdriver keeps popping out of them. This is the same, isn't it? It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Yeah? Is that right? I think that's right. Right, they're righty-tighty. So right, now I'm going to put on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, it's time to put the bag on. So I've been reading how to do it. I know. And the one page gives you the description of how to do it. You fold it in, like so. And then inside, on the other end of this bit, you've got like a nozzle that you've got to put that hole over it. Okay? without ripping the back of the bag, which should be the fun part. And the cardboard stops you from pushing too far because it goes concaved like the actual bag itself. Ta-da! Right, let's look. The bag is attached. For how long? Nobody knows. So it goes. That is really heavy. It goes that way. Because your pipe comes out this end. No. Okay. I've lost it. It doesn't show you which end the pipe goes in. That looks about right as you picture that. Why are you giggling? Look, because the titan's there, and the yellow circle's there, and the red button's there. Stop giggling at me. So, we locked and loaded. So I'm going to ask you a really silly question now. What goes in there? Oh, it's a blower, is it? That blows all the air out. No, you know what goes in there. Oh, it's it's a what? Go on, do that face again. It's a sucker, is it? Ah, gotcha. I'm just going to, you should see what he's doing. It's quite funny. He's doing like a blowfish. You say you just stick your end in now. Yeah. Twist the hose. Yeah, it's gonna come with me. Okay, I will be good on the krypton factor. So I'm going to start with this one. Obviously I've got to untie my wire and everything here. I'm going to start with this one first, and then we're going to go on to the nozzle. But I've got to unwrap my wire and do this first. I don't need that anymore. Untwist. Cable. We get quite a lot of cable actually. I'm pinning myself on the floor. That's it. Are you moving tight over here? Out of the way. You get quite a lot of cable actually. I'm surprised. I'm making sure there's no kinks in the wires. Do you think they've been really cool and left the power button on? No, they haven't, thankfully. So where do you want me to go first, Mr. Producer? This corner. Are you ready? This is going to be really loud because of the echo. got some very good power to it, that has. It is literally just peeled a piece of white paint off the floor. That's how strong it is. Now I'm going to try my steering board with it. See if I can peel any more paint off. I'm not used to working with a big long pipe, as you can see. I'm used to stand up, so it's going to be getting used to it. I'm not going to hit anything with it. Oh, right, I'm going back on. I don't think I've got my hose right. Which place is it? Okay, I'm not fine.
is my lovely lightsaber cross Titan vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching the unbox my new vacuum cleaner, guys. I'm sure you'll be seeing plenty more of it. And don't forget, I will be painting these within the next few days. So you'll be seeing my lovely decorating photos and videos again, okay? I will talk to you all very soon. If you could like the video for me, iPhones and iPads and everything else, subscribe to me on YouTube, that would be amazing. And if you want to have a letter, follow me on Twitter at Adelesexyuk. I just have one more thing to do for a lovely gentleman who really likes my feet. So he has asked me if I could just hoover the bottom of my feet just a little bit after I walked around barefoot in them. Everybody has their differences, and that's what I like about it. very weird sensation. But I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.